This presentation is brought to you by Terry Frazer's RV Center in Eldridge, Iowa. Terry Frazer's RV Center, where there's no extra freight charge, no extra prep fee, no battery fee, no hidden finance fee, finance here or not, same low price. At Terry Frazer's, get a lifetime of experience.
Good morning from Bushwhacker Central. Today we're going to give you a twofer. 2-in-1. This is the Bushwhacker Model 17FD to start with. This is by Braxton Creek RV, and this presentation is brought to you by Terry Frazer's RV Center in Eldridge, Iowa. Okay, we're going to start with the exterior, of course. This one across the front, you have the diamond plate rock chip guard, single 20-pound LP gas cylinder. It's with the regulator all attached. It'll come filled and ready to go. Crank down tongue jack. You will have a battery in the box installed upon ship out. Battery in the box is included. It's not some silly extra or option. Nope, it's included with the unit. It's always included with the unit. You're going to need it. You're going to want it. You're going to get it. Okay, across the off side here, starting with the top. Omnidirectional antenna on the top. Coming down below here. This is going to be a smooth exterior. Here's your 6-gallon gas electric water heater, direct spark ignition. Fresh water inlet is right there. That's a 21-gallon fresh tank capacity. Alright, solar input also on the side right there. Gives you options to add on solar equipment should you wish. 30 amp twist lock electrical cord set. That is a 30 amp service with that. Alright, knobby aggressive tires, 235/75 by 15 tires is on deluxe aluminum rims. You have a Dexter support axle giving you a gross vehicle weight rating of 3,000 pounds. Okay, coming over to here, exterior shower. That's something relatively new on these. Exterior showers included, as well as your city water connection right there. Radius cut windows, those are full function windows. Alright, giving it the traditional teardrop swept back look on the Bushwhacker Plus. You can get a look at it from this angle here. Plenty of storage through here. Here you have your gray tank and black tank, sewer connections. Here you have your BAL sand pad included with BAL jacks across the back. Spare tire, undercarriage mounted. And look at the ground clearance you have underneath here. Plenty of ground clearance. All right, let's take a look as we come around, sweeping around over here towards the campside of the unit with that awesome teardrop appearance. Okay, check this out. Storage. We're talking a ton of storage relative for a smaller unit like this. Pass-through storage. Plenty of room here. Access obviously from both sides. Pass-through storage. Here you have your GFCI protected electrical outlet. Again here with the deluxe aluminum rims. We'll step back here for a quick look from this angle. Full function radius cut tinted safety glass windows. You have a porch light across the top there as well. This is your radius cut door with the screen as well. Challenger door with the screen. Okay, on to the inside. Another reminder, this presentation is brought to you by Terry Frazer's RV Center in Eldridge, Iowa. This is the tan decor shown, and that is the only decor option that I'm aware of at this point that is available for these. There is not an optional decor at this point that I'm aware of. Okay, here we go. Your galley options. Got a barroom sink there, hot and cold water, systems monitor panel, GFCI protected electrical outlet as well. 2-burner high output Dometic range. Now, there is an option to add a glass cover to that. At your discretion, simply inquire should you wish to have the optional glass cover installed. 12,000 BTU furnace down below. That is LP fired but 12-volt operated, so it is usable when boondocking. Now, up above, microwave oven. Not so usable when boondocking, nor is the 5,000 BTU air conditioner right there. That is used on AC power only. However, when boondocking, what do you use? You use this awesome 3-speed reversible whole coach vent. Open up the windows, turn on that vent fan, and away you go. Here's one of your windows, an egress window provided over to here. It's a full function window with the screen. It does open in it. Well, it functions, it works. And over to here you have another window, much the same. This is a slider window with the screen full function as well. Alright, this is a queen size bed, slightly smaller than a queen. I guess you'd call it closer to a 2-person bed there, with storage underneath there. Most of the storage is that pass-through which we saw earlier. Safety detector across the floor underneath there. Here we go with your shoilet, wet toilet, wet bathroom, wet bath, whatever you wish to call it, complete with the retractable door, the shower door there. Little shower surround goes all the way up there. There we go with your shower facilities. Separate gray and black water tank. Okay, here's what distinguishes this unit, and that is the front lounge. Here's our front lounge area, table, and complete with seating, comfortable seating for 4 patrons should you wish. You can fold that down, obviously, to form a bed, therefore affording you sleeping capacity in here for a total of 4 people. Oh, we've got to move along here. We've got another one to look at. All right, continuing along with the same exterior would apply here on the model 17FL. This is the model 17FL, again by Braxton Creek, the Bushwhacker Plus 17FL with that great big pass-through storage. Everything pretty much on the exterior, what we just discussed earlier. Let's look on to the inside here. All right, FL, front lounge. Here we go. Here's your lounge. Easy chair. And a small table that does fold down. Storage underneath any of these booths, such as here. Here we have your bar room sink. Again, systems monitor panel over there. The 2-burner range. You can get the optional range cover should you wish. 12,000 BTU furnace as before. Let's take a look inside the refrigerator here. It's a 3-way refrigerator on these units. That's AC, DC, and LP fired. 1.9 cubic foot size on that. Here you have your entertainment center. And again, AC as before. Air conditioning, and that runs on AC power incidentally as well. Okay, there's your rear bed again as before, and the shoilet, wet bath if you wish to call it that, as before once again. Now let's step back over here and take a look at the distinguishing feature on this FL unit, the front lounge there with the easy chair. That does, of course, move over into position should you wish to dine with that, or you can lean back in it and relax at the end of the day. Plenty of storage down underneath there. Storage, okay, let's talk storage here for a moment. Got storage capabilities right up through there, as well as under the sink and under the range over to here. Question comes up occasionally, where does the TV go? Well, both units are equipped here similarly with your connections there, coax as well as USB connections and your GFCI protected electrical outlet. Once again, as before, you may wish to add an optional TV at your discretion. Up here you do have your thermostat that is for furnace function, and you're able to work out where you want your TV. I think most folks prefer to generally have a standalone TV placed on top here. Okay. I do think we fairly well wrapped things up in these 2 Bushwhacker Plus units, as you've seen on here, with a final reminder that this presentation has been brought to you by Terry Frazer's RV Center in Eldridge, Iowa. Thank you.